Okay, remember an isosceles triangle is a triangle with two equal sides. So draw a triangle where two of the sides are equal. And to see they're equal, we use tick marks. Okay, now the part you need to understand is the following. If these two sides are congruent, the angles opposite are also congruent. So for example, there are three angles. Which angles are opposite to this side? Which angle? Only one of them. Okay. These angles are right next to it, so this is not the opposite. The angle opposite is this one. So this angle will be congruent or equal to the angle opposite to this side. Okay. These are right next to it, so the opposite will be this one. So these two are congruent. And that's the thing about isosceles. Once you see that two sides are congruent, the two angles opposite will also be congruent. Okay, sometimes in a problem, they will not give you the sides, they'll give you the angles. So they might say this angle is equal to that angle. Okay, now in this case, the opposite sides will also be congruent, equal to each other. Okay, so for example, what side is opposite to this angle? Okay, these two are right next to it. Opposite means this one, the one that is furthest away. So this angle will be equal. This side will be congruent to the side that is opposite to this angle. What side is opposite to this angle? These two are right next to it, so the one opposite will be this one right here. Okay, so they usually give you the angle or the sides, then you find the opposites, and they would also be congruent. Okay, let me do an example for you. Example number 1, find the value of x, and they gave you this drawing. Okay, now they gave me two sides. The angles opposite to those sides will also be congruent. Okay, so what angle is opposite to this side? Opposite means furthest away. These two are right next to me, so it's not that one. The one opposite is this one, and that will be equal to the angle opposite to this side. Okay, these two are not opposite, they're right next to it. Opposite will be these two. So that means that they will be equal to each other. So that tells me that 4x plus 5 will be equal to 5x minus 10. So for x, you're going to do minus 4x minus 4x. These will cancel. And then you do plus 10 plus 10. These will cancel. So the answer will be 15 is equal to x. And that is the answer. Okay. So just remember, they gave you 2. You can find the other opposite ones. Okay. So in this case, they gave me the sides. I can find the angles that are opposite. This problem, they gave me the angles. I can find the sides that are equal. So now you're ready for the homework. Go ahead and get started with the homework.